Hello. Hi. How's it going? I'm Mr. Roofs, as you know, of course. And today I will be providing you with a birthday present for your 30th, of course. Now, as you'll be aware, this is a bit of a break from usual tradition. I'm not usually one to give out early birthday presents. And on top of that, I also know that you're not really one who can maintain their composure levels when it comes to surprising. However, I thought, I'm in a giving mood, and I suppose you only turn 30 once. So, now, with this present though, there are a few conditions. And there are things which I will require from you in order to make this a smooth transaction. And with that in mind, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the Waterfall Close quiz. Okay, now, what is the Waterfall Close quiz? It's really, really simple. Now, the Waterfall Close quiz is a 3-stage riddle, where within, of course, at each stage I will be providing a different riddle. And what will happen is, at the end of each riddle, you will have to locate an item which is within 24 Waterfall Close. It's not outside. You do not need to leave the premises of 24 Waterfall Close in order to find it. And that will provide you with the clue to the next riddle, which will of course have the clue to the next riddle, and eventually have the clue to the present. Now, again, as I said, everything is located within these premises. And that's pretty much it. That's the nuts and bolts of it. There's no really simple, really easy. So without further ado, I'd like to present to you your first riddle. I am owned by Mr. Roofs, but yet still due to be used. I offer comfort to the soul and always come in twos. Often mistaken for a man by whom hip-hop music is produced. I am beige and I am caged, and on my right side is your clue. Good luck.